Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can create a folder right on this Windows 11 here. A lot of you might get a Windows 11, but not sure how to create the folder, right? You can right click anywhere on this home section right here. Notice, make sure you have space on the computer that can actually do that. Because some person will look right up on the desktop is crowded. Now when I right click, this is what will come up. Definitely. Notice you see view. Right, you notice you just start by refresh, new display. Now just simply come right here and new. If you notice the arrow here, during the time you see this is optional. So this is set for the folder. I can just click on it. If you notice right here, give an option if you name it. So I can just simply type something in there, just like that, and I finish, I press enter. So this is how you actually create a folder. You can also drag a folder in where you want to put it. Right, you can also right click on the folder. If you notice, you can even come right down here the property. And when you click it, you notice right here, show the side, it shows you nothing in it. So far, show you when you create and all of that. Very important. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.